this is Newman here with 910 Airgun Tuning Repairs. Today, we are making a video on how to remove your bottle valve from either your carbon fiber or your aluminum FX bottle. Okay, to start with, we're going to be using a spanner wrench for this. You can order this spanner wrench off of Amazon. I believe it is a 1/8 size. I think that's the size of the pin over here is 1/8 inch. In any case, you can find this on Amazon or your local hardware store. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to take off the valve. So first of all, this pin goes into the hole that's located on the side of the valve, and then you're going to wrap the spanner wrench around, and you're going to make sure that the knuckle of the spanner wrench is in contact with metal, not carbon fiber. If it's on the carbon fiber, it's going to cause the carbon fiber to break. So after that, you're going to make sure it has a nice hard grip in your vise that it's not going to spin, and it's going to be pretty difficult to move. So it's going to break free just like that, and then you'll be able to spin it right off. Just as so. Alright, and then at this point we can get rid of the spanner. We can do this by hand. Whenever you're doing it by hand, make sure not to touch the carbon fiber because it can be sharp and it can stab you. It might be a little difficult at times when you pass over some Loctite, but there you go. There's the inside of the bottle right there. Yep, and here's your valve. Whenever you want to reinstall, just add some more black Loctite or else red Loctite. Red Loctite, you gotta make sure it cures for 48 hours. Black Loctite works instantly. In any case, you'll just take it, put it right, just screw it right back on in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.